Oh wow, Angelina, look. It's got like,
Mom, look to your right.
what is it?
Cows and stuff.
Oh wow.
Don't tell me those are emus. Oh my god.
Are they egrets? What are they?
I think they're emus or something.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, look at the goat, Angelina.
Did you see the cows?
Look at this guy. What are you crying about? Hmm? What are you cockadoodle doing? That is a big... Is that a goat right there?
It's either a goat or a sheep.
Oh. It's really big. Aren't you glad we got out now?
Look, there's a pig over there.
Ah! Look how cute that is.
Mom, look here. Look.
Ah, look, little baby pig. What are you doing?
They have a little donkey.
Aw.
I'm doing it apple. What the frick? Let me.
See what?
Him right there. He's just chilling there.
Here comes another. Look at the one. That's a really. Look at the one underneath.
See him.
He is so big.
Did you see the little pony?
Oh, how cute.
We'll give this.
It's like they all have all their friends together.
We'll give this. Hey, buddy. Is it carrot?
What's the matter? You glad I stopped?
Yeah.
You should know. How many pins we have.
I know.
Oh, you're so pretty. You're so pretty.
I can touch them all, right?
Cute for you.
They're so pretty.
They're so pretty.
He let me pet him.
Aw.
Yeah. Like,
Does it say not to pet them?
I think it's fine. You know.
Yeah, I think they're used to people. As long as people don't hurt them, you know what I mean? Hello, buddies. What are y'all doing? Huh? You got lunchtime?
They're like,
Oh,
we get
look,
lunch every
There's
day.
a little piggy. Oh, he must be by himself. He must be sad.
That or he's done with everybody. I have a feeling he's the introvert.
Probably.
He's the introvert of the friend group. Yeah, they probably think it's really cool here.
Maybe we'll do that tomorrow. Okay, this is what we have. They have the world's largest 4x4, 25 acres. Gem mine. You pick citrus. Walk and pick from the trees. Local beer, tropical wines. Juices and creamsicle, honey, fresh. Homemade jams and jellies, exotic jerky and frozen alligator meat. How cool is that? They're open 7 days a week, 365 days a year until 7 p.m. So how cool What are they?
They have a kangaroo.
Oh,
Look, it's the one lying down. Over there.
they do. This is so cool. This reminds me of Bluebird Gap Farm in Newport News, Virginia. Because you could go and visit and they had all the animals. They even had a lion. You know?
You not see where you just went down?
All right, guys, this is so cool. But we gotta hurry because we're parked illegally. But how cool is this? Oh, wow, Angelina, look. This is a really cool place, guys. How cool is this? Look, this is cute. That's pretty cool. You know, I wonder who owns this. I want to take a picture by them.
You want to take a picture? Alright, I can take your picture.